欧龟，没有想到插头，只是想说要一个充电盘。欧龟啊，那个2个圆孔啊，我们台湾没有在用那种2个圆孔的那个插头，还要特地去买一个转接头，所以我那个就所有的电器就那个最突兀，因为凸出来的，因为它加一个转接头在下面，不然不能用啊。所以这个就变得很麻烦，所以这个都要想清楚。所以现在马上回他讯息，导游说，因为这里只有IMSI，所以不要再找我麻烦，那也是你要去考量的一环。好，所以呢，这个众多因素之下呢，觉得还是台湾买就好了，不要给自己找那么多的麻烦啊。所以这个呢，还是蛮好玩的一件事情的啊。好。那17呢已经出来了啊，有17的 Air、17的版本，还有17的 Pro， 还有17的 Pro。
这样，你不要看到玻璃啊，所以放到下面这样。加贺。拍一拍回去再传给你们的。1980, they replaced it with the track system we're in now, and these cars can hold up to 80 people plus the driver in the summer, 70 in the winter. And we ride on the 2 fat cables that you see out the window there, and those we ride on wheels like a train, and we're attached to the small rope in the middle. 2 cars, red and yellow.
啊，真的耶！哇，鹿吗？小鹿吗？不是哦，三枪。
One car starts at each end, we go back and forth all day like this fast. Cable's about a mile long, first tower's a half mile up, so we'll pass the other car at the first tower and give them a wave. And that body of water out the back corner is Echo Lake, that's at the north end of the state park. Flume Gorge is at the other end. We get all our snowmaking water in the winter right out of Echo Lake. They use about 200 million gallons every winter.
Are they going to be able to do that this year with the drought you guys are having?
It's all spring fed, so it does pretty good. Beach at the end, state park beach. They rent paddle boats and kayaks and snack bars. In the summer. And above it, you'll see a rock cliff. It's going to be really busy today. 还有出阳光，
真的很漂亮。
这个如果没有出阳光的话，真的很冷。
就像我们早上外面那样。
It's pretty steep and rocky, but it's short, about 20 minutes, quarter of a mile. Get a great view. Out the left side, you'll see a ridge here. That's the Kinsman Ridge. And the Kinsman Ridge hiking trail pretty much follows that spine to the top. Takes a left and ends up over in Woodstock at Lost River. Behind that, it's a body of water called Profile Lake. Profile Lake sits under what was the profile of the Old Man of the Mountain. The Old Man fell down in 2003, but there's a plaza down there you can go to. They have these guys.
欧龟，没有想到插头，只是想说要一个充电盘。欧龟啊， 那个两个圆孔啊，我们台湾没有在用那种两个圆孔的那个插座，还要特地去买一个转接头，所以我那个就所有的电器就那个最突兀，因为凸出来的，因为它加一个转接头在下面。回他讯息，导游说因为这里只有音。